Want to bring in Mahoney Asset Management CEO Ken Mahoney. Ken, your reaction in particular to this forecast from Amazon, it was a little bit of a surprise to many of the analysts.
Right, and it's your typical sell-the news show. We've seen this so many times, and after-hours trading was down 12. It's only down 6 right now. Let's not forget where the stocks come from. A year ago, it was $174 a share to what, 231, 232 now. That's a 40% increase. The biggest key, though, is the cloud. So for them, obviously, they have a lot of different business units. You know, the cloud represents the highest margin business of 38%, and that was soft. And that was soft like Microsoft that we heard also on the cloud. But as you mentioned, the bright spot was ad sales. I mean, ad sales, by the way, about 10 years ago were zero. It's very expensive real estate to be on Amazon. And for that, about $17 billion in a quarter. That could be its own company to itself. I think this is a normal reaction. We saw this with Apple. Was higher in after hours and sold off. The only two really tech stocks that came out unscathed in this earnings report, earnings season, I should say, for tech, is Meta and Netflix. But again, Amazon investors, they like the stock, they like the story, they like the different business units. You know, this is your typical sell.
I think the forecast